आईपीएल की हर खबर, हर विश्लेषण सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स तक पर। अभी डाउनलोड कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स तक ऐप।
So you were the chief selector with the Indian team for quite a long time. जो टीम अभी सेलेक्ट हुई है T20 वर्ल्ड कप के लिए, आपके नजर में कितनी बैलेंस्ड है ट्रॉफी जीतने के लिए?
Yeah, it is more. I think you can definitely rate about 8 to 9 marks for out of 10. They try to cover all the bases, and they gone in predominantly with a frame of mind that it will be more of a spin friendly wickets. That's the reason why we had 4 or 5 spinners in the squad. Uh, I would, I mean, personally, I mean, see, selectors will think from every angle, and they will definitely not. They will definitely not. I know they'll definitely not go into one unidirectional. They would have thought from every angle. Personally, I felt that maybe see, this is a major event. Major event when it comes to major event, someone like Shikhar Dhawan would have really brought because considering the fact that he has always done well in ICC trophies and he's got back-to-back centuries in IPLs, so he's in a perfect form. I think he could have been more useful for the side. And similarly, Krunal Pandya is one guy whom we have groomed him for the last 3-4 years into T20 format. He's been doing very well for Mumbai Indians. He's been doing well. So these are the two things. I mean, of course, now I'm no more a selector. I'm a layman now. I might have my own opinions, but selectors would have definitely put their mind so much into it. I felt that these are the two guys where they could have fitted in.
What about Yuzvendra Chahal? Because UAE is a spinner-friendly wicket, and with the kind of experience Chahal has had over the past few years, and the way Virat has used him, do you think his omission surprised you, or he would have been the X factor India needed?
Yeah, I think he's our best T20 bowler. I mean, in terms of wickets for Team India, he's done superbly in the last 4-5 years. Unfortunately, what the selectors would have thought is the competition between Rahul Chahar and also Yuzvendra Chahal. So Chahal, on a flat wickets like Bengaluru, he's given. I mean, he's never disappointed his captain Virat, and he has always given you wickets. But if you see the performance in the last 1.5 year, there is a little. There is a little dip in his performance. And similarly, if you see Rahul Chahar's performances, and he has played an important role in winning back-to-back IPL championships for Mumbai Indians. Probably that would have gone in Rahul Chahar's favor, and maybe the confidence levels of Rahul Chahar or Yuzvendra Chahal is what that they would have seen and given that option for they've chosen Rahul Chahar ahead of Chahal.
So you would have gone with Dhawan, Chahal, and Krunal Pandya.
I would definitely say, see, it's a debatable issue. Chahal and Rahul Chahar is a debatable issue, but definitely I would have thought about Krunal Pandya and Shikhar Dhawan, considering the way they have done for their respective franchises.
So we've seen how Ashwin was part of the 5-match test series in England, but unfortunately he wasn't given a single game. But he made a comeback to the T20 World Cup squad after a long 4 to 5 years. He will be a part of the T20 team. क्या आपको लगता है अश्विन प्लेइंग 11 का हिस्सा होंगे कोहली की टीम में या उनको एक भी गेम मिलेगा?
Yeah, first of all, hats off to Ashwin the way because though 4 साल से उनको chances नहीं मिल रहा था, but still he never got disappointed and he kept on doing very well. He kept on experimenting on himself. He kept on working hard in white ball cricket. And if you see, the question is whether he would have been preferred if Washington Sundar has been available, and he has come in. I think he is an ideal replacement. Along with the replacement, he also brings you experience also. So experience, and more importantly, we are playing T20 World Cup Asian conditions में हम लोग खेल रहा है, तो definitely उनका experience बहुत important होगा team के लिए. And if you see, we are also going to play IPL matches prior to the World Cup. There might be a wear and tear on the wickets, which he can exploit. So he is an ideal replacement, and I have a feeling that he will play an important role if the conditions are suiting for spinners.
Do you think it is a good idea to get Dhoni as a mentor of the team?
Absolutely. I think nobody else other than MS. I think see the whole world. I mean the whole country would have celebrated that wonderful occasion because already see I have a feeling that Ravi, Bharat Arun, R. Sridhar, Vikram Rathod, they all have formed a wonderful team management. They have given us so much of joy and happiness by the way they won matches in Australia and England. So this is a wonderful team management, and addition of MS to this already existing team management it will only enhance the value of the team management. And who else it can be? This man has given you 3 ICC trophies. This man has won so many IPL championships. This man is currently playing in Dubai. So what else? And the chemistry that he forms with Virat Kohli, I think the board has done a fantastic job. Along with the team management by having him in this into the role of a mentor.
So you were part of the team for a very long period of time. You know MS very well. Did he ever discuss with you this whole plan of being associated with the team post retirement as well?
Because we never happened to discuss that, but heart of hearts, I had this feeling because I was challenged recently, I think in one of those IPL commentary stints, I was challenging with my colleagues that definitely, I mean, post Ravi Bhai's era, the MS has to come into the role of a mentor, and Rahul Dravid as a captain. So we were, I mean, these are the discussions that I had with my fellow commentators while I was doing commentary for IPL. I have a feeling that I sense this, that Rahul, being the studious person that he is, he will add value, so much of value to Team India post Ravi Bhai's era, because Ravi Bhai and his team has done fantastic, but their tenure is going to end. After that, Rahul as a coach and MS as a mentor is going to be a boon for Indian cricket.
So do you see both the duo, Dhoni as the mentor and Dravid as the coach in the future for Indian team?
Yeah, I think it's like a freezer. You know, both are cool and calm customers, and one person is very studious, very hardworking. I mean, and more importantly, the number of players that are evolving right now have been groomed by Rahul, who was India A coach also. So it's a wonderful planning that is happening. I'll be very disappointed if Rahul is not going to be the coach and MS as a mentor post this team management era.
Sir, but does it anywhere reflect the lack of confidence in Virat as a captain by bringing MS as the mentor?
Absolutely wrong. I don't agree with this. So then, if that is the case, then why is Steve Waugh the mentor of Australian team? Do you think that they are not confident of Aaron Finch and the rest? So I know what is wrong in making utilizing the resources that you have in enhancing your chances of winning the World Cup. And I think, in fact, it's a wonderful move. That is the wrong way to think. You have to think in a positive way. What is the better way to win T20 World Cup? And that's the best choice that BCCI has done.
स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। आप हमें फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और हाँ, हाउसएट ऐप को भी डाउनलोड करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ लेजेंड्स को हराकर आप जीत सकते हैं 2 गुना कैश।